Morning, Nabi.
My name is
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday too.
What's up, Miguel?
What's up, Wena?
I love how you guys greet each other, man. It's got love and energy. You know what I mean?
It's genuine. It comes from a very genuine space.
You know those greetings ukuthi umuntu uyayenza nje ngoba kuyenziwa. Ayina that thing you thanda ukuthi iphume enhliziyweni. Do you respond to such people, or what do you do to people obabulisa abangakubulisi back? Ubone ukuthi ukuzwile mara nje akasibayi.
It's okay.
Do you stop greeting them?
No.
Okay.
Mina ngizokhipha ipapa ngizokubulisa. Yo.
Noma ngingakubulisa.
Ngizokutshela. Hey, ngizokubulisa. Angihlangani.
Ekani.
I'm not going to lose my true nature because you are bitter. Ngizothela uma ungasho akunandaba.
Nakusasa.
I do it all the time.
Yebani.
Hey, yeah.
No, but eventually uyabona ukuthi akasibayi mfethu. Might as well save your energy and let it be.
Na pela. Yes, kita dumedisa ne.
Yeah.
Kine kudumedisa bothola.
Yeah.
Hi. Next time kifitela fela.
I know Lungile would be akuthinta ihlombe. Ngiyakubulisa.
Mina uyangazi mase me I'll ask you. Because I want to know if you've got a problem, tell me.
Yeah.
Ngizokubulisa.
Or let me know if I'm fully
ngizokubulisa.
Yeah, not feel like if pela na le problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
O tlamile o face nompe. Hona mpatsa mtshoselo so akayirata.
Yeah.
Because some attitude you could medicine then when how arabi. Then next time can fit.
And it's terrible, Joey.
You know, there's someone in the office who does that to me all the time.
Yes,
and I greet them all the time.
Hey, yeah.
I am telling you.
Nakifitel.
Until ungitshela ukuthi bheka sisi uyangibhora.
Yeah.
Ngiyekela.
Nakifitel.
Ngizokubulisa nje.
Nakila dumedisa anathola then
the way nginaboyelwa abaningi ngakhona.
Mara la ispanelo.
If maybe it can only lentshe e wrong ke yenteng then botsa njwetsi and then nakila ke ngizokudumedisa then you know I can say hey.
You know la imsebenzi njomani madoda kanti kwenzenjani manje?
Mina angimind.
Ngiyafika.
Hayi angimind nje. Mina I'm going to greet you like
Ngingathi ngibulisa njomani ngibona uyathula ngimphomo.
And angithi esinye isikhathi bahlaba amahloni uthi hello ngiyambona ukuthi akathandi. Mara kunandaba ngizokubulisa uzozuthande njakatata.
All right.
Unless you tell me.
I love how you do it, because I think I'm the person obeka ngakhwitha. You know, ngakubulisa once, twice, 3 times a lady. You know
what's the nice thing about me continuously still saying hi?
Yeah.
I know that I must keep you at an arm's length.
Yes.
Angeke ngikuxoxise manje ngokusukele.
Yeah,
but ukubulisa ngizokubulisa.
Because you were raised well.
Ngizokubulisa, ngizokukhwaja, ngithe hello. Bese uyangiphendula uthini hello, bese ngithi hawo.
Yini.
Kuhlungu ukuthi hello kimi. Right? People just have problems, guys. I don't have time. I've got enough problems.
And then to take one.
I must be worried about you as well. I really don't have time for people that have beef and fry.
Or grill.
Grill. Or slice and stir fry. I will cook that beef.
Feed it to the people.
To the very same person.
Also.
I'm not just drunk.